Hey everyone, I'm Tom, and this is Hornbill Smart Lock model HBUS-ZNS-Y0. Going forward, I'm going to be referring to this model as Model Bob. Bob comes packed with high-tech features, which we're going to check out. I picked up Bob on Amazon to guard my garage door and render looking for passkey keys a thing of the past when entering the house. And I will clarify, my house. Cracking the vault open, and the first thing that stands out is the useful manual, no pun intended, along with some pre-cuts for easier installation measurements. The kit includes everything for the installation but the optional Wi-Fi gateway, which must be purchased separately if one wishes to have full control of the lock from a galaxy far, far away, given that Galaxy 2 has Wi-Fi. Bob can be unlocked and locked keyless in 4 ways, those being via fingerprints, passcodes, the app, and IC fobs. And 2 IC fobs are actually included in the kit. There are also 2 physical keys in case one forgets the passcode, loses the phone, the IC cards, and no longer has the programmed fingers, or in case of dead batteries or just malfunction. To power up Bob, one will need 4 AA batteries, which are stacked in the indoor side of the lock. The keypad looks sleek. On the top is the fingerprint reader, then comes the very bright, highly sensitive keypad, and at the bottom is the key cylinder that comes covered out of the box. There is a pin-like tool included in the kit for removing the cover if or when needed. Visible at the bottom is a micro USB power-up slot in case Bob runs out of juice, and a speaker. And last but not least, the IC fob reader is hidden behind the keypad. The adjustable deadbolt is of course included as well. The installation was fairly painless and took about 20 minutes, perhaps even a bit less. The app to control Bob can still be used without the separately sold gateway, but only via Bluetooth at close proximity. I was expecting the app to be not great, which would be a very unfair statement to make after I got to try it out. It comes well designed, very, very intuitive user interface. Both the pairing and the programming processes were a quick and easy task.
Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Operation failed. Operation failed. Operation failed. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked.
I dare not speak of the level of security that this lock provides, nor do I dare speak of the reliability of this lock, simply because I do not have it long enough. A short sum up of my experience with this lock would be, it works and I like it. And that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did happen to like the video, please do not shy away from clicking like and subscribing. Until next time, take care. Bye.